Welcome to the Dawn. This is part 1 of the Digit Match bot walkthrough. Hello there and welcome to the Dawn. My name is David, the founder of the Dawn. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how the Digit Match bot trades. First is, you need to click the subscribe to join our Telegram channel. If you don't have an account on our website, click this sign up button. If you have an account on our website, then click the sign in button, enter your credentials and log into your dashboard. So first I make sure the Deriv balance matches the balance I have on my account. So then I will click the web app on matches, then I log in directly and I will land on my dashboard. I will stake the amount as 39 and the take profit and stop loss I leave by default. So I need you to watch how this bot is going to perform. The bot is going to do 25 runs, then it stops by itself. Guys, watch this. In 25 runs, the bot has made 22 wins and only 3 losses, and it has made a profit of $7,885 from $39. This is incredible, so we will close this and confirm from my Deriv account. And yes, it is reflecting on my Deriv account. Watch this, guys. So I can now return and log out of the bot. So if you like trading matches and you have been losing, then this bot is for you. Create an account on our website, get the bot and start trading like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.